Hello, nandito na po tayo sa ating part 2 of my travel journey from Madagascar to the Philippines. As you can see, kumakain pa rin ng madam. Unang pagkain pa lang yan. Mamaya makikita nyo kung gano'ng karaming pagkain sa long haul flight na to. And finally, after 4 hours and 14 minutes, we've reached Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Pababa na tayo ng plane and sasakay ng bus to go to the airport para sa ating next connecting flight. Our layover time is 3 hours and 40 minutes. And yes, andito na naman tayo sa lounge. Chill muna, charge, ganun. Nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo na ito pala yung flight namin pauwi ng Pilipinas to celebrate Christmas and New Year's with the family. 2018 pa nung last kami mag-celebrate ng Pasko at New Year sa Pilipinas. Nakakamiss talaga. Iba pa rin talaga pag nasa Pilipinas ka. And ito na nga, nasa pangatlong eroplano na tayo. Hindi ko nga lang katabi yung asawa ko dyan. Mabuti na lang at mabait yung nakatabi ko. Pinoy din siya at pauwi na rin siya ng Pilipinas. After takeoff, ito na nga, sinerve na naman yung pagkain namin. O diba, pagkain ulit. For my starter, I choose this lemony seafood with tartar sauce, braised fennel, and microgreens. It also comes with quinoa, cranberry, roasted peppers, and smoked turkey salad. Ayan, pagkain. Sige lang, enjoy mo lang yan, madam. And for my main dish, I choose this General Chow chicken, salted mixed pepper, and shiitake mushroom in egg fried rice. O diba? Of course, kanin is life, yun talaga. Our flight will take 10 hours and 40 minutes. Pero hanggang Hong Kong lang yun. And then may layover tayo ng 1.5 hours. After that, fly na pa Manila, which will take 2 hours and 20 minutes. So, ang total ng travel time natin ay 14 hours, including the layover in Hong Kong. O diba, amazing ang haba ng flight ko. Ganun talaga, nasanay na rin ako. So, after ko kumain, natulog na rin ako at hindi ko na hinintay yung dessert. And ayan na nga, kagigising ko lang. Grabe, ang haba kaya ng tulog ko dyan, panalo. Kailangan ko talagang matulog because our travel is going to ease. At ang jet lag, humihilo talaga pag ganun. 2 hours before landing to Hong Kong, sinerve nila ang amazing breakfast. I have cereals, yogurt, bread, and fresh fruit. And for my main dish, I choose the tomato, basil, and mozzarella omelette, grilled beef sausage, sauteed mushroom, and roasted potato wedges. Alam nyo, ang Ethiopian Airlines panalo talaga sa pagkain. Lalo na kapag gabi ang flight mo sa kanila. Before they serve your food, they will offer you their Ethiopian national dish, which is